Hello, I will introduce our production line electronic counter system. Firstly, I will show you the overview diagram. Then, you can understand it easily. This is the overview diagram. In this paper, I only draw 2 counters, 1, 2. But actually, in your line, you will set 3 counters. I will take 1 counter for an example. You see, this is the counter 1, and the counter is connected to a signal process unit, and then it is connected to sensors located in the side, and the counter is connected to an alarm. Also, it is connected to a LED, and the counter have an antenna, and the user can control it by the remote control. The 1, 2, 3 counters are connected to a communication interface. The communication interface then is connected to the introduction computer. There is the software in the communicator. Okay, this is the overview. And then we can see the actual devices. Okay, now we can see this is the counter. This is the LED display. This is the alarm. This is the antenna, the remote control, the signal process unit, the communication interface, the computer, the keyboard, mouse, and printer. There are 2 sensors located in the side. Please note, this is the transmitter, this is the receiver, and this is the receiver, this is the transmitter. For sensor 1 and sensor 2, they are different. Now I will show you how this system works. Firstly, when you turn on the power, please make sure the light for the ROM is on. And in the same, the light in the software is running, and the single number, the total number are the same as the numbers in the counter, and the number in the LED is the same as the single number in the counter. And please look at the 2 sensors. If some object blocks both the 2 sensors, you can see the sensor light is on. If there is no sensors, no objects, and the sensor light is off. Even if the object blocks only 1 sensor, you can see the sensor light is off. The object blocks another sensor, you also see the sensor is off. So only the object blocks both the 2 sensors and then leave, and the counter will add 1 number. And you can use the remote control to make the counter stop or run, and you also can make the counter control interface and press stop to make it stop, and press start to make it start. Okay, Now I will show you how it works. Let's start the machine. Look here, 7. Okay, let's start. Okay, we can see the counter as 2 numbers, and here the same. And if you want to save the record, here press stop, and then clean. Okay, the record is saved. We can find here and the date time. You can see here 9. If you want to print, you can press the right mouse, print, select rows. Okay, you print the paper. You can see the date and the time and the count name and the quantity. Okay, if you want to start again, you can start.